Assalamu alaikum. It's Inza Salim, ELT, lecturer in Nikon Group of Colleges. I'm going to notify rules and regulations for speech competition. The first rule is that your content should be related to your topic. And the topic for Urdu speech is Meri Pehchan Azim Pakistan. And for English, it is No Power Can Undo Pakistan. The second rule is that time allowed is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The first bell will ring after 2 minutes and the second, that is the last, after 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The third rule is that your arguments, logics and examples shouldn't be based on some politic or religion based, particularly targeting anyone at all. In the speech competition, paper reading isn't allowed. For national songs competition, paper reading isn't allowed for both, and for national song timing is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. If a participant will take more time, his marks will be deducted. Last but not least, the decision of the judges will be final. I'll request the judges to leave their comments on the given papers about the oral performance of today's function. Thank you.